Hello everyone, my name is Patrick Dennis with Synaptic Advisory Partners, and today I'm going to give you just a quick tutorial on how we can create deep links, which will go from a mobile application and drive directly and seamlessly into the Youreka mobile app, where we can fill out a form and then easily navigate back to the previous mobile application that we were just on. The example today is going to be, I'm going to be using Field Service Lightning, but this would work across many other mobile apps. But the specific use case we have here is that we're going to be navigating through the Field Service Lightning mobile app to conduct a home health assessment. Now, when we click Begin Health Assessment, it's going to deep link straight over into the Youreka mobile app. It's going to pre-populate a form full of contact information so that we can immediately start conducting our health assessment for this specific patient. We're going to fill out the full assessment, and then when we're ready, we can actually just navigate straight back to the Field Service Lightning app and continue with our day. So in this case, maybe it's changing that appointment status to completed and then moving on to the next appointment. So the idea is to create a very seamless process between mobile apps so that we can get all of our work done. But the whole key here is going to be to actually build that deep link. And so let's talk about how to do that. The first thing I'll say is that we have a great amount of literature on our website that will teach you how to create these different types of deep links. And every use case is a little different, so I would encourage you to visit this resource on our website to learn more, but I'll show you a quick example here. First of all, the first section of your deep link is going to be the same for every single Youreka user. So you're going to have that section first. The second part here is just a couple of commands that we have for the system. The first one in this case is I want it to create a new form every time I use the link. And then the second command is to actually use the template ID that this form is for. So in Salesforce, we can find that template ID and put that inside of the link. The other commands that will follow this have to do with the lookups for this specific form. So I want to use the contact ID in Salesforce as a part of this deep link, but it could be the account ID that you need or a custom object ID. But we're going to populate those IDs as a part of the final part of this deep link and then put it all together as you see here. As soon as you're done with that, what we're able to do is, that's the tough part. So after this, we're able to just take that link that we created and put it into our mobile applications that we're driving from. So it might be Field Service Lightning, or it might be Salesforce Mobile, as you see here, with the button on the Salesforce mobile application, which can perhaps launch the Youreka mobile app from a button in the bottom corner there. But it doesn't matter. Whatever mobile app you're coming from, it will immediately deep link over into Youreka, populate those lookups that you informed it to, and then put you right into that form that you need to fill out. So it's very seamless. But there are many other examples that we can talk about. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website to learn more.